Replacing the ear tips on your AirPods Pros is pretty straightforward, but a lot of people are surprised how hard you have to pull them to remove the old ear tips. Whether yours are dirty or you need a different fit, these are really inexpensive and they're super easy to swap. So I highly recommend doing this whenever needed. Makes your AirPods feel brand new. To remove the old ear tips, you simply pull them out. You might feel like you're stretching the rubber and it'll break, but they're designed to be really snug and only come off when you pull them hard enough. Nothing more annoying than ear tips that fall out on their own. The part where these attach are sort of an oval shape, so make sure to align them properly when installing the new ones. Give it a push, and you'll feel the new tips snap in place. Same thing with the other one. You see how the rubber is stretching when I pull it? That's how tight they are. Don't worry, you won't break them. Hope that helps. I'll link my favorite replacement pack in the description, so go check them out, and go give your AirPods the refresh they deserve. And before you head out, make sure to subscribe for more easy, quick guides like this.